Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you to Storybook Gardens in London, Ontario. Open all year round, Storybook Gardens is a storybook themed outdoor park. The entrance itself looks like a castle, and as you enter, there are many characters such as the Little Red Riding Hood, Snow White, and Pinocchio displayed on the walls of admission area. Nestled in Springbank Park, this enchanting garden is a perfect destination for families and nature lovers, offering a magical world of make believe that brings classic fairy tales to life. There are some miniature playhouses where kids can engage in pretend play. There is also a splash pad for beating the heat during the summers. Not only is Storybook Gardens a great place for families to explore and learn about classic tales, but it also offers a range of activities and attractions that are perfect for kids. These clips are from our summer visit to Storybook Gardens in 2022. Each summer, Storybook Gardens host Friday night festivals, offering free admission for children and $5 admission for adults on Fridays after 5:30 p.m. Activities include character meet and greet, dance party, face painting, food trucks, and much more. There are two outdoor stages that provide the perfect setting for a variety of entertainment features throughout the summers. Storybook Gardens boasts a range of themed gardens and attractions, each of which tells its own unique story. From the classic tale of Jack and the Beanstalk to the beloved story of Peter Pan, each garden is carefully crafted to transport visitors to a world of magic and wonder. Whether you're a fan of classic tales or new age fantasy stories, there's something for everyone at Storybook Gardens. Throughout the year, Storybook Gardens hosts a range of themed festivals and events perfect for families. From the Easter Bunny hunt during spring to Friday night festivals during summer, Story Boo during Halloween, and winter skate trails during the winters, there is always something exciting happening to keep the visitors entertained. I highly recommend a visit to the Storybook Gardens, especially if you have little ones and wanting to burn that energy. Hope you enjoyed this visit to the Storybook Gardens, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Bye!